Hi, I am Divyanshu, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create an ebook within a few minutes. So, I recall this incident from 2018 where I was assisting one of the interns to create an ebook, and trust me, it was such a pain to edit all the elements. That you editing you do in PowerPoint. So I'm going to tell you quick ways. So this is a tool attract.io. So you just need to sign up, log in and click over the given icon. And there are a lot of templates available to choose from. Here choose your template. Let me choose one random template from here. So it will load. All the drag and drop options are there. Here you can see this is sample ebook that you can see here. So I can add all the details over here. Just let me scroll down a bit, and let's say I want to create this ebook. I want to name 5 premium tools that have gone free during COVID-19. And let's say if I have created this one, I want to, make it bold. I did that. I want to replace this name. Let me put my name over here. I want to, let's say, put my website over here. I can do that as well. Right? Isn't it pretty easy? I want to change image. Go to settings. Here you can, choose another image. So let me choose something work from home image. So these are free images available over here. Let me choose this one. Okay, so once done, okay, that's all I have to do. Just click over it and see. Let's say I want to put my image over here. I can go to choose image. I can upload my own image. So let me choose one, and it will load within a seconds. So each and everything you can edit here. Meanwhile, I want to edit my name. Just click over here. I can put my name here. Let's say this is a irrelevant page for me. I want to delete it. I want to add a few more details that I can do as well. So each and everything available over here on ease, you can simply drag and drop these options and explore it. So here you can put a call to action button. Let's say I want to put my website here that I can do. Let's say let me put this articles, if you want to get full access, so I can change it, replace it. Let me change it, get access of complete list. Let's say I want to redirect users over here. Once done, click over it. You can change this heading as well. And once you are done with this editing, like, so just go and publish it. You can change colors, etc. All the details are there. Here you can see there is a preview URL. Click over preview. If you want to download it, go ahead and click over this option and you can download this. Uh, so that's all. It is very easy to use, and this will be helpful for marketers to create quick lead magnets. I hope that helps. And if you like the video, please let me know in comments. Thank you.